Let's try the MCP feature of Claude Code. Well, I have to admit, I think it's a very nice feature. I saw other users doing great things with those, but I also heard that it can be quite tricky to get it started. So what we want to do in this tutorial is we have our website, which is our YouTube title generator. And right now, the user can generate 20 titles when he's logged in. We want to change that. We are Linear. In Linear, I created a ticket, an issue. So we want to change this limit to 23 actually. And another thing what we want to do is we want to change the title of the app to Amazing YouTube Title Generator, not only YouTube title Generator. But what I don't want to do is I don't want to go to the Linear, check my tickets, enter them here in Claude Code, write what I wanted to do. No, I want that Claude Code can access those tickets, checks what it needs to be done, and if it's done, maybe even mark the ticket as done. So let's see if we are able to do that with the MCP servers. So let's go back to Claude Code and the MCP servers. So what you can do with MCP. With MCP servers connected, you can ask Claude Code to implement features, analyze monitoring data, query databases, integrate design, automate workflows, blah, blah. Okay. So, and then we actually have some popular MCP servers. We have some for development, like Sentry, Socket, Hugging Face. We have some project management ones, which if you use like Jira, if you do like Scrum or something like that, I'm pretty sure that this is pretty useful. And then we have Linear. This is the one we're actually looking for. So I think I can click on it. Okay, then I get to the docs. Let's see if I actually need that. So this is nice. But let's see if we need that. So we probably want to just copy that. So we have, this is what we need. There's no tutorial. Installing MCP servers. Add a local studio server? No, I want add a remote server. So what we want to do is we just Claude MCP add. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so maybe I need to install that. Let's just try it. I mean, what can happen, right? We want Linear, so let's just install our Linear and MCP server. We're just gonna do that. We go back here. We open a new terminal. And we're just gonna try that. Okay, we need another, this I'm gonna clear, node version. So you need minimum node 20, this is important. So let's try that again. Added MCP server Linear to local config, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I added that one now. So does it work already? Let's see. I think just in case I want to restart Claude Code. I don't know. Maybe we don't know. So I just run it again. And connect to my Linear MCP server and check my tickets. I guess I need to add like some API keys or something. Let's see what's happening right now. If it already checking my ticket, I would be very surprised. Let's see. I notice you asked me to check your Linear tickets. You would need to server in your Claude Code settings or use the Linear CLI directly or access. If you already set up Linear MCP with Claude Code, you might need to check your configuration or restart Claude Code to ensure. Would you like to have... I notice you're asking but I don't have access to MCP model context products connecting capabilities. Okay, let's see MCP. And there it is. It's not, okay, I have to log in. Okay, let's do that. Yeah, let's authenticate. Okay, a browser window will open. I will show it to you. So here I had the link. So we will just approve it. Localhost, okay. Let's approve. Workspace to connect, sounds good. Authentication successful. Connected to Linear. Nice. Okay. I connected it now. Check my tickets. So now let's see. Okay, list my issues. Sounds good. Do you want to proceed? Yes. You don't have any issues assigned to you in Linear. Would you like me to check other issues in your workspace or team? Okay, let's do that. Okay, to be fair, let's do that. I think it's checking me and I did not assign those tickets to me. So I have here my issues. So I think I will just assign it to me. And then we just do here, try again. But it looks already good. I'm very happy. Let's see again for my issues. And now it's finding issued, it seems. So we have two issues. Both are in to-do status. Would you like me to work on either of these? Yes. Let's do the change title one first. Let's see if it's happening. Find current app title location in the code base. Update title from... Okay. So let's see. So our title right now, as it's here, is YouTube title generator. Let's see what is happening now. Let's update both of those. And I guess this looks very, very promising. So here it is. Nice, nice. And the next thing, now this ticket, did it already change something? No. Change title of app, okay. And we want it to be changed. Okay, both done, I've updated, nice, nice. The change implemented board in the linear ticket description. Nice, set the ticket to done. Okay, linear update issue state to done. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Let's check. And it is not here anymore, so it's marked as done. Well, I have to say this was pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Very nice feature, I think. So right now I don't have to copy paste tickets anymore. I just use Claude to do that for me. I just created tickets there and tell Claude, oh, do the tickets for today. And then I just check it and I ask it to create a PR or something. And I think this is pretty amazing. So if you enjoyed the video, please consider to give me a like and to subscribe. And I see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.